Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. Today, I'm going to be looking at Roja Dove's Apex. Now, this is a perfume that I've been waiting for quite some time. Ever since I saw the teaser. I know that I'm late to the party, but I don't care. It's Roja Dove, of course. Inside of the Apex box is this beautiful, by the way, if you could see the texture of this box, it's really cool. You can see like the sort of a landscaping texture in this box. And then inside is a collectible card, and you could see what your Apex creature is, and each card is different. So in my case, I am the Orca, mighty, valiant, and mindful. How about that? I am an Orca. I am an Orca. There we go. And now the Apex bottle itself is this one right here. Sort of a darkish green, very dark forest green, if you could see through the light, with a black, matte black metal cap. Very heavy duty metal cap. And I'm going to spray this. I've heard great things about it. I didn't spend too much time watching other people's reviews because I did not want to be tainted at all. Wanted to formulate my own opinion, and here we go. First impression on paper. Okay. Yes. Very woody and aromatic and effervescent. Almost like very foresty in a way too. Like it's really, really, wow, very nice. And I'm going to look forward to actually wearing this as well. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be rocking this on skin, but really like this. I was trying to see if there was notes in here, but in this booklet is just more information about each of the animals. Really, Apex is a different approach to most of what Roja has done. This is not too heavy, not too heavy. It's fresh and green. It's woody and dark. It definitely is very masculine, even though these are very unisex, but it's very masculine. Oh, I have a feeling this is going to be really good on the skin. So this is Apex by Roja Dove. If you're interested in purchasing this, it's going to be available at ZGO. ZGO will have it, and in San Francisco. And I'll include a link to their website as well there. So check it out over there, and I will see you in another episode. This is Roja Dove's Apex. Take care and have a great day.